water just spraying out. From what used to be the house. I don't think there's a home left in that area.
Nope.
I mean, that's a pretty good sized tornado for it to just come through and rip through an entire neighborhood, you know?
And everything it picks up becomes
A battering ram.
projectiles.
And a whole school. I hate tornadoes.
Look how crumpled that one is.
Should we pull over? He's.
I hate tornadoes. That used to be
Just take a side
a
street.
really tall
I'm
tree.
thinking right now.
That used to be a really tall
That
tree.
one looks clear.